let's talk about caring and helping and preventing and supporting sensitive skin. So causes for sensitive skin and how to care for it. While sensitive skin is hard to define sometimes, it's an experience that many people can relate to. And I took it as a personal challenge to help people with sensitive skin that almost neglected their skincare because they react to everything and they're afraid to go to a facial because they always come out red and irritated. So I believe that there is a solution and we can always walk between the drop, and that's became like my specialty. So again, sensitive skin can be like skin that is irritated, inflamed, red, itching, flaking, or breaking in the skin. The Society of Dermatology defined sensitive skin. It's a complex dermatological condition defined by abnormal sensory symptoms. There are numbers of ways to address, help, and reduce the discomfort of sensitive skin. And they recommend two paths. One, avoiding harmful, irritating skin ingredients. And second, making lifestyle changes to reduce stress and inflammation. Skincare ingredients that recommended to avoid because they cause the sensitive skin to break. Fragrance. So fragrance are made of artificial ingredient which can irritate the skin. Since every fragrance is not really defined. Sometimes you take a box and you read fragrance and you don't know that it contains like 600 stuff inside that is not good for the skin. And because of that, of the amount of ingredient in a fragrance, it's really hard to define which ingredients causes irritation or reaction. So you always want to go for fragrance free, that the smell can come only from natural sources like essential oils. Only essential oils, basically. Second is preservative. Preservative keep product on the shelf for a long time. However, many well-known preservatives are irritate the skin like hell. So you might know parabens, formaldehyde, and DMDM hyantoin, and a lot of things that with very long name and hard to pronounce, that basically keep the products on the shelf for 12, 24, I don't know, months. But when you think about it, do you want to have a cream that can sit on a shelf for 2 years? I mean, God knows it's dead already. Some other names of preservative can be quaternium 15, phenoxyethanol, sodium borate, also called sodium taraborate, and all these stuff are very bad. So I use a natural preservative and vitamin E. So the products are still alive when you have them and they don't contain the bad ingredients. Now, another thing you want to avoid are sulfates. Sulfates provide the foaming, like the foaming from in shampoos, soaps, and cleaners. However, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, and SLES can be very harsh, especially for sensitive skin. So if the skin doesn't create foam, it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. The other way around. I have on my blog post, on the blog, some posts about chemicals in your cosmetics that you can check out. The second thing is lifestyle changes for sensitive skin. Your skin condition, however, is a mirror to your inner condition, your health and lifestyle, and might be the cause for your sensitive skin and irritations. And it's like the biggest communicator because it's the biggest organ in our body. People with sensitive skin often experience more stress, anxiety, or tension, and the skin senses this and reacts too. So, recommendation for lifestyle changes can be stay hydrated on top of your water, and fruit and vegetables and food that contains high percentage of water. Water is always good. And move your body, exercise, dance, whatever makes you feel good. Move that energy in your body, the stuck energy, the stress, move it. Avoid inflammatory food like soda, sweet sodas, deep fried food, red meat, stuff like that. Try to avoid that and select anti-inflammatory food like green leaves, nuts, olive oil, and berries. And get a professional natural skin therapist to advise you on a beauty routine that will support your skin. And that's, like I said, it became my speciality to help you if you suffer from sensitive skin, not giving up on your skin and seeing it getting healthy and beautiful with nature's power.